I think there's still some lines in
Where's the
it.
battery? Over here?
One. Okay. All right. Got this full of water. Laura's got something to say. Hey, Laura, anytime you want to say something, just speak up. Okay?
Well, the cleaner that you're using is not available at any stores. It is something that they use at like a helicopter, you know, huge places, and industrial places.
Yeah.
And this was a gift to me, and I can't replace it.
Okay. So if
And you
somebody
can't get it.
if you can't get it, you can still Google it. You can Google Energy Plus and see what comes up, and you can get something like this, or you can use orange cleaner. That's the other thing you've got, right?
Yes, orange oil.
Orange oil. It comes in a concentrate, and then you can mix that up, and you can use that, or you can use simple green. Or there's other products kind of like that. There's some other products like that that you could use for your cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, you know, whatever. There's a white
What is?
bit there. If I wanted to, I could have left that. Now see, there's a little bit darker bits in a couple spots. So once I get done with this entire floor, we can look at that, make a determination. Hey, how are those marks going to look okay on this floor? Overall, does it look like they need to come off? Let's say. And your holes where your nails were. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you need to, just spray some more cleaner, or if that doesn't do it, you can spray a little bit of WD-40 in there. If you don't want the little pits in the bottom to show, you know, if you want to get it all cleared up, you can. See, I'm just rubbing on this a little bit harder just to get some of the darkness out. Now I can kind of spread it and try to even it out as I go, like that. And I can go some more.
Fine.
Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.